I was a nervous schoolgirl at the science fair. I smiled hard with extra teeth so I could hide the wave. The lump in my throat despised this pile of papier-mâché.
The project baffled me, worked hard as I projected. Tinkered with chemistry, results were unexpected.
I felt fear in safety goggles, couldn't calculate the quota. Maybe too much vinegar, maybe too much baking soda.
My volcano,
now she's holding her breath, she's swallowing her pride.
my volcano
Is a mountain of words that just got tongue-tied.
my volcano.
She's glorious, she's dangerous, she's dormant and she's still.
My volcano.
If you wait 10,000 years, she might just tell you how she feels. I press my legs to chest, my knees cradle my ear. I'm an anxious woman stretching my neck toward Mount Rainier. I whisper soft with extra air so she can hear me say, I feel you bubbling underneath, I feel it every day.
I am no longer shocked by the lack of an eruption. One day I will know, but for now there's no relief in self-destruction.
For birds are nesting in her nooks, and humans hike her trails. I feel kinship with a mountain that chooses not to melt.
My volcano,
Now she's holding her breath, she's swallowing her pride.
my volcano,
There's a mountain of words that just got tongue-tied.
my volcano.
She's glorious, she's dangerous, she's dormant and she's still.
My volcano.
If you wait 10,000 years, she might just tell you how she feels.